Hi everybody, I'm Jack with the Tulip Experience Center, and today I want to show you our Tulip Manager Station. I'm going to show you how modern manufacturers transform production management using real-time work order visibility and AI-powered process intelligence. What you're about to see represents a shift from reactive firefighting to proactive production management. We'll explore two capabilities: a work order dashboard that shows real-time visibility and control over production, and an engineering change management agent, which allows you to find exactly what needs to be changed when an engineering or specification change notice is issued. This showcases end-to-end traceability, intelligent production management, and how Tulip agents can turn data into action. First, let's start with the work order dashboard. In traditional manufacturing, managers are stuck viewing static reports or having to physically walk the shop floor in order to view the status of a work order. What you see here is a live view of all active work orders flowing through the shop floor. You can view things like live status, location, the quantity in progress and complete, current start dates and due dates, and a lot more. When I select a specific order, I get complete traceability over what's happening on the shop floor with this specific work order. I can do things like view the current status of the unit being worked on right now, view the work order history record, as well as cancel it, edit it, and assign a new user to the work order. This is where composability becomes powerful. The data that you're seeing isn't just siloed into this dashboard. Because of Tulip's common data model, data from assembly, inspection, packing, and shipping all flows seamlessly together and is conglomerated within this manager station. If production priorities shift, I can go ahead and manually edit the work order right here. But more importantly, I can go ahead and click Rush Order, which propagates throughout the entire system. The moment I create this, the relevant stations are notified, materials are allocated, and operators see their priority shift on the shop floor. And if we need to cancel a work order, perhaps for a customer change or a production issue, we can also do that right here. Canceling will automatically update inventory allocations and create a complete audit trail for full traceability. This level of production management would typically require multiple phone calls, emails, and manual coordination. Now, this happens in seconds with complete trails and traceability of who made a change and why. Now, let me show you something that demonstrates the real power of Tulip agents, our engineering change management agent. Here's a challenge that every manufacturer faces. When an engineering or specification change notice comes through, somebody, usually a process engineer, has to manually sift through hundreds or thousands of apps or documents to find out exactly what needs to be changed. It's tedious, error-prone, and time-consuming. With Tulip agents, we've automated the investigation. In this case, I'm uploading an engineering change notice, which specifies a longer bolt needs to be used in our motor production. In a traditional workflow, a process engineer would need to review the notice, find which products are affected, review work instructions for every instance of that product, and manually document what needs to be changed. Let me show you what happens with our agent instead. This engineering change management agent is now analyzing our ECN, understanding what the document says in natural language, and since our AI agent lives within our Tulip instance, it's able to query production apps to understand exactly where this change needs to be made. And here's the result. The agent tells me exactly which apps are affected, as well as the steps, widgets, and tables that need to be changed. It also gives the process engineer exactly what next actions they need to take. From here, a process engineer can immediately open the affected apps. And because this is Tulip, these changes will be deployed instantly across all stations without interrupting production. This is scaling your talent. Your process engineers go from taking days to find out what needs to be changed to spending minutes making actual improvements. What you've just seen is the future of production management, moving from reactive to proactive, and from searching for answers to delivering intelligence exactly at your point of need.